Hi guys, today we are going to do a unboxing because I got my parcel this morning. My silkstone finally arrived. Basically, silkstone series is one of the gold label Barbie for the Barbie whole series. And for silkstone, you can see it's quite expensive than other normal Barbie. And I was hesitate and thinking a lot about should I buy a silkstone Barbie, and then I made decision. So I got my parcel this morning. Okay, so you can see the yellow box right here. Let's open it. I'm so excited. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. The sheet paper is still here. It's like a very brand new silkstone Barbie. This one called Best to a T. I can't wait to see the Best to a T silkstone Barbie. Wow, how gorgeous it is. It smells so good. You can see the 20th anniversary tag from the left side, and then you can see the whole look for this silkstone Barbie. This one, which is the last Barbie for the silkstone series. You can see the robot himself photo here, whole stories here. I can't wait to open the box. Okay, let's try. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Okay, the box here. Yellow tags here. Wow, it's so amazing. It smells so good. Trust me. And with the pink box inside and the white box outside, I'm gonna open. 1, 2, 3. Ah! 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness! It's so cute, so adorable. I never seen like any black women with the fascinator Barbie like this. I really like this one. It's so cute, the design. And you can see the fabric and the nice quality dress. And this is fully dressed like this. And then you can see the Barbie tag. She got black gloves, she got black socks, and with black boots. It's so cute. This is the stand. I think it's the black base with this Barbie stand, but I will not check it out. Okay, every information's here with the certificates for the Barbie and herself with tied on the box. With the ribbon, you can see. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. This is my first silkstone Barbie. I never had one. It's like her all look, fully dressed and accessories, fascinators, boots, kind of things, all from Chanel. Am I right? So this is unboxing for my silkstone Barbie today. I will not take it off because I need to take photo first. Okay, so thanks for watching.